Soap pregnancy test. How to do it and does it work? Pregnancy tests can be carried out from the comfort of your home, and are a great alternative to going to the hospital and waiting for results. This pregnancy test involves using soap to find out if you are pregnant or not. What will you require for a soap pregnancy test? 1 small piece of soap. Water. 2 tablespoons of your morning urine sample. A plastic cup. How to perform a soap pregnancy test? Performing the test itself is extremely easy. Take a piece of soap and mix it with water till foam appears and you get a bubbly solution. Collect your morning urine, as it has high levels of human chorionic gonadotropin, HCG, also known as pregnancy hormones. Add the urine to the soap solution. Make sure to add more urine than soap. The soap water to urine ratio should be 1 to 3 to ensure best results. You will have to wait for 5-10 minutes before checking the result, so keep the mixture untouched. How to evaluate the results for a homemade pregnancy test with soap? After leaving the mixture untouched for about 10 minutes, you can check the results of the soap pregnancy test. Positive results. In the soap pregnancy test, results can be noticed easily. If you are pregnant, the solution will most likely start to bubble up and also change color to a greenish-blue color. Negative results. If there is no change in the solution after 10 minutes, it means that you are not pregnant. There are many pregnancy tests that you can try using items that can be easily found in your house like sugar, toothpaste, vinegar, etc. All these tests have the same procedure of mixing your urine with one of the items. In the case of sugar, if the sugar starts clumping up when mixed with urine, that is a sign that you could be pregnant. With toothpaste and vinegar, when you mix these items with your urine and their color changes, you could be pregnant. However, you should know that there is no scientific research proving this test's accuracy. The only advantage of doing these tests is that you can perform them from the comfort of your home. Since there is no scientific research backing the validity of these homemade pregnancy tests, it is best not to rely on their results entirely. You can try this soap pregnancy test at home for fun, but to know whether you are really pregnant or not, use reliable pregnancy kits or visit a clinic to get a blood test that will give you accurate results.